Achieving the status of a seven-figure entrepreneur, earning $1 million or more annually, is a significant milestone that requires strategic planning, dedication, and relentless execution. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you on this journey. 1. Develop a millionaire mindset. Embrace abundance. Believe in your ability to achieve financial success. Cultivate a mindset of abundance and opportunity. Set big goals. Aim high and set ambitious, clear, and measurable goals. Break them down into actionable steps. Continuous learning. Invest in personal and professional development. Read books, attend seminars, and seek mentorship. 2. Identify a profitable niche. Market research. Conduct thorough market research to identify gaps and opportunities. Use tools like Google Trends, Keyword Planner, and industry reports. Target audience. Define your target audience. Understand their pain points, desires, and behaviors. Competitive analysis. Analyze your competitors. Identify what they do well and where they fall short. 3. Create a value-driven product or service. Solve a problem. Your product or service should address a specific problem or need. The greater the value you provide, the higher the potential for success. Quality and uniqueness. Ensure your offering is of high quality and has unique selling points that differentiate it from competitors. 4. Develop a business plan. Vision and mission. Clearly articulate your vision and mission. This serves as the foundation for your business strategy. Revenue model. Outline how your business will make money. Consider multiple revenue streams for diversification. Marketing strategy. Develop a comprehensive marketing plan, including digital marketing, content marketing, and social media strategies. Financial projections. Prepare detailed financial forecasts, including sales, expenses, and profitability. 5. Build a strong brand. Brand identity. Create a compelling brand identity, including a memorable logo, tagline, and consistent visual elements. Brand story. Craft a compelling brand story that resonates with your target audience and conveys your values and mission. 6. Leverage digital marketing. Website and SEO. Build a professional website optimized for search engines. Use SEO strategies to drive organic traffic. Content marketing. Produce high-quality content that provides value to your audience. This can include blogs, videos, podcasts, and infographics. Social media. Establish a strong presence on relevant social media platforms. Engage with your audience regularly and build a community around your brand. Email marketing. Develop an email list and use it to nurture leads and build relationships with customers. 7. Sales and customer acquisition. Sales funnel. Create an effective sales funnel to guide potential customers from awareness to purchase. Customer relationships. Build and maintain strong relationships with customers. Provide exceptional customer service and seek feedback to improve. Referrals and partnerships. Encourage satisfied customers to refer others. Establish partnerships with complementary businesses to expand your reach. 8. Scale your business. Automate and delegate. Identify tasks that can be automated or delegated to free up your time for strategic activities. Expand offerings. Introduce new products or services to cater to a broader audience or meet additional needs of existing customers. Invest in growth. Reinvest profits into marketing, product development, and talent acquisition to fuel growth. 9. Monitor and adapt. Performance metrics. Regularly track key performance indicators, KPIs, such as revenue, profit margins, customer acquisition costs, and customer lifetime value. Adaptability. Stay flexible and be willing to pivot your strategy based on market trends and feedback. 10. Maintain a balanced life. Health and wellness. Take care of your physical and mental health. Exercise regularly, eat healthily, and get enough sleep. Work-life balance. Ensure you maintain a balance between work and personal life to avoid burnout. Conclusion. Becoming a seven-figure entrepreneur is a challenging but achievable goal. It requires a combination of the right mindset, strategic planning, execution, and continuous adaptation. By following these steps and staying committed to your vision, you can build a successful and sustainable business that reaches and exceeds the seven-figure mark. That concludes the video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video interesting, please like and subscribe to stay updated on future content.